Okay, I think I am live now. Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic in this live stream session where we will talk about how we can utilize AI to improve our productivity. Specifically, we will see how we can use ChatGPT to create a presentation in few clicks. So I'm just thinking of waiting for a while so that the viewers will be online. So far, nobody have joined yet. Let me also add music in background till then. And I am also hoping that my voice is clear. I can wait for a while and then we can get started. Feel free to ask any question. Related to the topic. Okay, seems like we can get started. So let me open a new tab in my system. So let me repeat today's topic. Today's topic for this live stream is how we can utilize AI or specifically ChatGPT to improve our productivity. And then as you can see in the title, we're going to see how we can utilize GPT to create a PowerPoint presentation in few clicks. Apart from that, we will also see other use case scenario, or you can let me know in chat below. I will definitely try to help you out in your queries. So let's get started now. I am just switching my screen to computer one, and if anybody have any issue regarding this live stream, if the volume is not good, please do let me know in chat window. Now here you can see I am in my computer screen, and let me open ChatGPT here. I'm going to open in my another window just to hide history. Probably I think I may not able to, so what I'm going to do is let me open directly here, and let's continue with Google, and I'm gonna use, okay, so I am using a free account. I'm not going to use a paid one because not all the users have the paid. Okay, so here we can see, since I am accessing this account after a long duration, and this one is free account, so it is introducing me to ChatGPT 4.0. So you can see here actually you are getting ChatGPT 4.0 for free, even with free plan. Now what I'm going to do here is let me think of a topic, or let me actually look for different GPT. And here you can see we have got so many types of GPT available. And let's see PPT generator. And there we go, guys. Here we can see we have so many PPT generator available. The first one have got 25K plus interaction. So let's use this one. Okay, now what we need to do is when you think of a topic, you guys can give me any topic in chat window if somebody want, or I can think of what. Let's create a presentation PPT on iPad or Apple as a company. Okay, and let's hit enter. Now again I'm repeating, this is free plan, so you know I have not paid anything, and let's see how it works. And voila, there we go. Seems like it already have generated PPT for us. So let's download it and let's have a look how good it is or how bad it is. We will see 3 or 4 different method of creating the PPT. Seems like it is pathetic, isn't it? It only have generated these 2 pages. So I think okay, seems like it is asking us to proceed to create everything. So I'm gonna say I love this. Let me actually open it again, and then let's have a look. So the following is table of content about Apple. So we can see introduction, company overview, history, then product lineup. It also cover Apple Watch, great, and then Apple services. Then it also talk about financial performance, innovation in R&D, and CSR, and so on. It also talk about future outlook, which is great. And let's close this. And now I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I love this table of content. Please create detailed PPT. Let's see what it come up with. I hope that we will see a good thing here. And seems like it have created the detailed content for introduction chapter. So let me open it again once more. Let's click here on download. Okay, so introduction, which talk about company overview. And here we go, here we can see. The introduction really looked nice. It talk about company overview. So Apple is an American multinational company, blah, 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 founders, innovative hardware and software services, and so on. So seems like the overview is good, and then if we see the history also looks quite decent, but seems like the formatting of this app is not that great. So let's close this, and then here I need to click here, I guess. I think I need to write yes. Let me type yes, because it is asking, shall I proceed with this step? Let's write yes. And I will also show you some of manual method where we will create content through ChatGPT, and then we're going to import it in Microsoft Word, and then we will convert it to PPT. Again, as I said, this is free plan. You can see here, it says upgrade. Okay. again I need to click on regenerate. Let's wait. I know this process takes some time sometimes. Again, if you have got any questions regarding this process, do let me know in comment down below. This is the whole purpose of keeping this live session, where we together can discuss on the topic, and you can ask your questions directly here in this live stream, or else I could have created video on it. So please feel free to ask questions, feel free to interact. Then only I think there is a benefit of keeping this live stream. Now again, let's go back here to main screen. Seems like we have generated this presentation. Again, I'm going to click on download. Let's see. And there we go. Here we can see overview, history, and then product line, which also look nice, and then different product and Apple services. So let's say you want to create a very small PPT, then it is good. 9 pages with a very good factual data is really nice to have. But let's say this is not you are looking for, then worry not guys, we're also going to cover the whole custom PPT, and then how, then it depends on number of slides that you want. We will also go there, but let's see in this one what else we can do. Now let me actually ask this generator itself, can you generate a detailed PPT of 15 slides, same data. Seems like I wrote a date. Okay. Let's again have a look. Let me actually zoom it a bit. I'm going to make it 200%, and let's hide it. Let's see what it come up with this time. Still analyzing. And there we go. It seems like about to generate the content. And okay, so seems like the free plan of this got exhausted. So either one can get a GPT Plus, or we have got another way, which is I'm gonna again, instead of simply asking ChatGPT to generate, which is creating a PPT but is not decent enough, what I will do is I will try to create or generate my own custom content, and that we can easily do even with GPT 3.5. Let me show you how. Let's go here and click on ChatGPT new, and seems like this time we have got this 3.5. Let me type here, create a PPT content, 20 slides on Apple as a company and its products. Okay, let's hit enter. And there we go. Okay. I would say the heading look good, but we also require detail. Okay, so I'm gonna ask. We also need detailed. Uh, also need para talks about heading. Please add that also in all the slides. So in this way we are actually customizing our content, which is really nice. Now here you can see it also talks about the content. Okay, so there we have it. Now what I can do is I can ask this, make it that I am going to add this content to Word, then I will convert this to PowerPoint. So please make it compatible. Secondly, I will also ask, please remove slide 1, slide 2 written. Now again it will present some content. And there we go. What I will do next is you just watch. Let me open office.com here. Here I need to click on create, and then I'm going to create a document. And this Office version is completely free, guys, so you do not require a paid version. Now I'm going to simply copy this whole content. Okay, and let me paste it here. Now after pasting this whole content, let me also see the heading. Okay, so this was heading, and actually I can mark this one as heading. So this is heading 1, and then remaining are probably I can say heading 2, and then I can use this format painter to quickly mark them as, so this one is heading to, this one also heading to, and then in a similar way heading to, heading to, so this will definitely help us out. In order to recognize the headings. And this is the last. Now what we need to do here is we need to click on File, and then I'm going to say Export, and then Export to PowerPoint presentation. Now from here we can select any of the template that you want. So let's say I would like to go with this one. This one looks good. Now let me click on Export. Hello Ilyas, yes I will, Ilyas Nabil. I don't think so PPT 2019 can have designer ideas because that one is perpetual version. You need to use office.com. Please keep in mind that we only can have design ideas with Office 365, whether you go with free version or paid one, but you will only get designer ideas with the cloud version of Office. So for example, it's not like we need to have office.com, even if you are using Office 365, then also you will have. So let me show you here. We have got this PowerPoint. Let me show you PowerPoint 2024. It also do not have got design ideas. So forget 2019. You need to visit office.com, and then here you will see, let me actually click again on exporting this document. Presentation, here you will see that we have got this designer. So if you still want to keep Office 2019 but want to have design ideas, I would suggest you to go online, and then you can do it for free. So this way you will be able to utilize design ideas for free. Now let's wait here for a while till we convert. And ChatGPT, it's not like you only can utilize it to create presentation content. You can also create macros. For example, create a macro in PowerPoint which can create a rectangle by itself. Okay, so what I'm asking here is creation of rectangle by itself using macro. So previously I think creating a macro was a challenge. You need to have coding skill, but now not. You can create macro and then run that code inside your Office application. So let me open here this blank PowerPoint presentation, and now if I press Alt and F11 here, or probably we can go to developer tab, and here we need to give our macro a name. I'm going to give rectangle, creator, and then let's click on create. Okay, seems like we should not have space, and I can add underscore. Now I'm going to paste the same code that we created or generated in ChatGPT. Now let's close this and save it. And now, okay, we can save this here. Now we need to run this macro. Run, and there we go. Isn't it cool, guys? Previously we used to learn how to create macro, but now with the power of AI, you can actually ask system to create this. And it's not only creating a rectangle, we can see several use case scenario, good use case scenario, where we can utilize macro, especially in case of automation. Recently, we also showed you, or we also have worked on this thing, which is code.pritamnegi.com. Here we have created a macro that can merge multiple Excel sheet data together. If you want to download that code, you can easily download it from this website. And you will see with time there will be so many data will be available here to download. Now I am still looking for more questions in chat bar. If there is not enough questions, then we probably will close this. Okay, still I think it is taking some time to generate. Or what I will do is I will again copy this and ask ChatGPT. If there is a paid version of GPT, then probably it would be much easier. I will show you the paid version as well, what difference it come up with. Meanwhile it generate, let me open ChatGPT paid. Let me open the paid one here. I am opening, and my password is dot and following dots. Let's say if it is correct. I hope it does not ask me for a phone. Okay, let me now ask. Let me now copy this again. And again, I'm going to paste it here. Now again, let's click here on File, Export, and then Export to PowerPoint presentation. Meanwhile, it does here, what I can do is I can directly ask generate PPT with following content directly. I hope this paid version will not let me down. Let me zoom it a bit. And let's see, yep, seems like it is working. So Python comes integrated with this GPT Plus, and here we can see. So this is advantage you will get when we go with the paid version. Okay, so our presentation is ready in few clicks. And as you all aware of, this content was kind of customized. Still, I am not able to download. I need to ask again. I am not able to download the file. It shows file not found. You need to let ChatGPT know. Here you can see ChatGPT is using Python to generate. Let's again click on download file, and this time finally I was able to download. And there we go, guys. We can see the content is placed in a better way. Now what I'm going to do here is, since I am using perpetual version of Office, which means that it does not comes with PowerPoint design ideas, I will upload it to internet. And this office.com, as you are aware of, is completely free. Now let's click here on open, and then open for device, and probably I will open it from my download. And I am confused here that which is the correct file. Seems this one. I'm about to open this file. Again, let me click on okay. So this free version, probably this one have created the PPT. Let's open this one, which is generated by GPT 3.5, and it also tried to gather some of images. And I think design ideas will work perfectly fine, or will help you to assist. For example, smart search. Probably I need to remove this Apple, and I'm gonna select this content, and then I will use search, this smart search, and then I can place this logo here quickly. Which one should I place? This one? Okay. Now again, let's click here on designer. So these are a few tips and tricks to fasten or speed up your presentation. Now let's go next slide. Here also I'm going to delete this, and let me look for introduction, and let's again search introduction, and then here we can look for a relevant picture. So let's say here this one. Again, let's click on design ideas, and then again it will help us to put decent picture here, and I can actually delete this slide. So in this way, guys, we need to just refine the content, and then you will have your own picture. Now let's go to for example, milestone. again, let me make a right click and then here, smart search. And then we can look for the pictures here, media. And then let's uncheck this so that we see more pictures. This one looks good. Or you can add any other, for example, this one. Okay. Or this one. Now again, let's click on designer. And there we go. So in this way, guys, you can quickly create your whole presentation. Now, iPhone. Let's also search iPhone. Alright, this one looks good. Let's again click on media. And there we go. Now I'm gonna again delete this one. Then again, let's click on designer. And there we go. This really looks nice. Again, we can click on designer. It will further refine the content. Okay. Now let me close this and this one as well. Now I'm gonna open another PPT that we downloaded from ChatGPT. Now I guess this one is the presentation. Okay, again let's click on designer, and before I click on designer, I think I also need to click on view or home, slide layout. I think slide layout is good. I was thinking of adding something here. Yep, slide layout, no, slide size. Let's make it 16:9. And now again, I'm gonna go here in designer and let's start. Okay, let's choose this color, and then again you want to add a photo here. You can select the relevant content and then you can do this smart search, and then let's click here on media, and from here you can choose the logo that you would like to add. Okay, you also have option to remove the background. For example, you want to, and now you can easily click here on designer, and then again you can make your presentation look good. Similarly, let's click on the next slide. Let's click on see more design ideas if you do not like this one. And so on. In this way, guys, we can customize our whole presentation. We can also add content here. Let's say I would like to add Steve Jobs, or we can click on search, and that's how we can add Steve Jobs. Now again, let's click on designer, and there we go. So in a few clicks, we are able to format the whole PPT. Which is really awesome, guys. So that's all, guys, from my side in this live stream session. If you have got any questions, I'm still here for 2 more minutes. If not, then we will close this live streaming. I hope that I have covered the topic that we thought of, which was how we can create you know visually stunning looking presentation using AI. So here you can see we have generated the whole content in few clicks, and then we are further fine tuning and customizing it. We not only saw the free method, but we also saw how we can generate the PPT using paid method. And we also talk about not only we can generate PPT, but let's say we would like to create macros, or we would like to automate certain thing, we can do that as well. And here we have shown you one example with a rectangle. And then not only we can form rectangle, there are so many things. And then I also showed you this website that I have created, where one use case scenario was to create this code. I was thinking of if I could generate different Excel file together, and here you can see we have created this kind of code using ChatGPT. And these macros were very tough, guys, if you are not coding, if you are not from coding background. Now using ChatGPT, you can easily create macro and can automate things inside PowerPoint, or even with Excel and other. So if there is no question, then I hope that we already have covered the today's agenda. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational, and I am always here to help you. This is the reason actually we kept this live stream. I just want to make it two-way communication. Unfortunately, I only got one question, but this is starting, I would say, and then I am hoping you guys provide me more and more input. Thanks, bye, ciao, and have a nice day.